Welcome back. We've got two special guests this morning in studio with us from Pittsburg Parks and Rec, Toby Book and Prachi Patel, joining us here to tell us all about a big event coming up this weekend. I'm super excited about it. My kids are excited. A kite festival.
We're hoping to have a really good turnout. This is our first try at it. Al Patel, a local businessman, and Prachi and the Patel family came to us with this idea, and we're happy to support them with this.
Now, Prachi, tell me, why did you guys think of doing a kite festival as an activity?
My son, he grew up here, so he never knew how to fly it, and now he can do it. So we decided, why not everybody's kids too? So we decided to arrange it, and we want everybody to come and join on this one.
So you have a great location where there's a lot of open airspace out by Pittsburg High School.
Pittsburg High School, be Saturday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Food trucks will be there, music, taking donations for the Pittsburg Police Department Family Response Team. So it's got a good cause with it. It just partnered up nicely with the Parks and Recreation and the City of Pittsburgh.
Now, do you need to bring anything to participate, or will kites be supplied? Or?
Yeah, we're gonna provide kites and the threads which they needed. Probably they need to bring their chair and heat gears, probably caps or water. Probably water also gonna provide it.
Yes, stay hydrated.
Stay hydrated. There will be some refreshments out there. We also recommend maybe a pair of gloves for the kite string for the kids that are flying the kites. So just to keep the string burn from happening too.
I have a lot of memories as a child flying kites, and honestly, I don't know if I've taken mine out too often to fly kites, but I know they have, and it's just a fun experience and something that you guys are helping to provide for everyone in the community.
Thank you.
That's awesome.
It's a good time. It's a big lead-in for us to 4th of July also. It's a busy time with the Kite Festival, and then we roll right into Lincoln Park 4th of July event. So we're busy, but we like this. We'd rather be busy than not.
About how many kites are you preparing for this weekend?
It's more than 1,000.
Over 1,000 kites?
Yeah.
Wow.
We already got them.
That's awesome. Yes. Well, okay, so there's plenty of kites. So all you have to do is come out to Pittsburg High School. Fun for all ages.
Yeah, fun for all ages.
And it's going to start at 10 o'clock and run till 4 on Saturday. All right, thank you two for coming in.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice to have us here.
We'll be right back.